you want to go live on Instagram, but have some power to customization, also to have a more reliable connection and easily bring guests and easily share to other platforms. So you are in the right place because right now, well, not right now, in a couple of seconds, whatever, I will be showcasing how you can go live from Evmux to Instagram with all the nice features that Evmux provides you. So stay there because I will be right back. Hello, Marco Novo here, and today I'm going to show you how you can go live on Instagram from Evmux. Just some previous notes. By the way, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a new content. By the way, feel free to leave a comment if you have any question, any doubt about live streaming or these kind of tools as well. And you have in the video description a link so you can try Evmux, and you have the coupon code Painkiller, which will provide you 15% discount in the first 6 months. Oh my god. So some previous notes about this feature. One, is not a kind of direct, straightforward connection like, for instance, we are used to do on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook or Twitch. Okay, it has some extra steps, and besides, this is not. This is important as well. You should have a professional account on Instagram, otherwise you can't go live. So right now I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So first, I've just created a studio, okay, for Instagram. Let's go there. So that's me. Everything seems to be nice. You can see that my sound is good, the camera it's okay, but there's always room for you to put everything in place. Enter the studio. And there you go. As you can see, I have already this mode portrait mode on. Usually you have this, okay, landscape, but let me put it portrait mode. And as you can see, this is not the best way to show you to show. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Double click and you can see that this will put this in right position. By the way, you don't need to adjust the settings in the camera. Make it here so it can be done the proper way. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already there. All good. You can use dynamic scenes here if you want to bring. Oops, not the camera. I want to do a screen share. Let me see. Okay, I can bring this. Oops, there we go. So let me add to the scene. As you can see, you can do this. You can switch the scenes. There you go. Okay. Soon I will be creating tutorial about how you can create pro scenes because it's the best way to create scenes. Anyway, this could be enough. Okay. If, for instance, you want to bring a guest, feel free to do that. I'm going to do it. I'm going to bring myself as a guest. So now you can see that we have here a guest already. So let's bring it to the scene. Okay, you can use it this way. Let me remove the screen share. There you go. So you can see, let me put them. So you have these options. Okay, if you want to highlight one picture in picture, you have this option as well. If you want to switch between one and another, it's pretty easy. As you can see, drag and drop. Okay, and you can do this. I'm using the studio mode because I like to check all the changes before going live, but I believe this is right now the best option. So everything it's ready here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit this. So you need to add a destination. Okay, you just need to go here. Hopefully, there you go. Instagram. There you go. Save. And then you need to put here a stream key. And that's the second step of this process. You go to Instagram and you go here, create. Again, make sure that you have a professional account. Live video, add a title. Testing IG live from Evmux. Here you pick the audience. Let me make it public. No problem. So there you go. You need to grab this key. Okay. I won't hide it because every time we create a broadcast, this changes. And this needs to be opened. We need to remain open. Okay. If by any reason this close, it will go down. Okay. So don't forget to leave it like this. Okay. I'm going to copy here, copy. I'm going to put it here. There you go. Save. Let me close this one. Save. And now I'm going to hit here. Go live again. Another step. Go live. Start. And you need to allow it here. The stream will arrive here. And once the video stream arrives, you will see that this will be a little bit a darker blue. So as you can see, now the video feed is here. Go live. Now we are live on Instagram, so welcome everybody. You need to leave this tab like this, okay, untouched, and then you can come back here. You can say hello everybody, blah 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 blah. You can switch scenes. You can remove this guy from the screen and have just one, blah 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 blah. Once the live show it's ended, you should stop it first here, okay, and live video, and then you should finish here. There you go. Pretty easy peasy to do. Okay, so this was the tutorial I have to you today. Hope you like it. Let me know what do you think about in the comments. Let me know if you already are using this. And don't forget, you have in the video description the link to try Evmux with the nice coupon code painkiller, which will give you 15% in the first 6 months. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, like, comment, and if you know someone that may like this content, please share with them. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.